and his opponent in the red corner, Jerry Potentado! Round 1.
Good evening, Dynasty Fight Club powered by URCC. Here we go again for another snap battle night. Tonight, we have Jerry Potentado. And just want to tell you guys who bet on Jerry. This last fight, he got knocked down but easily recovered. And then after that, he knocked down his opponent. So I think we're gonna see a really good match here. But don't lose hope to bet on Pablo, because Pablo is known for having an iron jaw. So good luck to all the viewers who bet on the two snap fighters tonight. But before we begin, their first match is rock, paper, scissors. Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready? Let's get it on! Sampala na! Oh wow! We have a knockdown! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forward.
A round of applause for your winner,